EPS Teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS Teleclass. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Are you ready for today's teleclass? But as always, let's start by reading dua before starting the lesson.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Today's mathematics lesson will also be teaching by Nuzhat Miss. Today's mathematics lesson is expanded notation. Bell walk. So students, remember the bell walk task we did last week? Yes, we have a bell walk task today too. I know you enjoyed this last week. So without wasting a minute, let's start today's exciting work. Students, first let's start comparing two pictures and find the differences. Remember to look at the details. Students, Miss will give 1 minute to do on the work on your own. So, do you see a cloud at the left of first picture? When you look at the second picture, you can see the cloud is missing. Next is the cute little girl who is waving at you. Wait, she is missing in the second picture. Do you see the tree on the right side of the house? Second picture doesn't have it. Maybe they cut it off. Then let's look at the boy who seems jumping on the left leg in the first picture. But look at the second picture. He is jumping on the right leg. Last one is in the part of the bush on the picture which is missing from the second picture. They might have trimmed it down. So students, do you remember the last lesson I taught? Excellent. Place value. I hope you understand what you studied in the lesson. So let's see how much you remember. Miss will show you 4 different questions. Try to get a good answer to those questions by remembering the last week. Let's see the questions. You will get choice of answer to choose the right answer. Let me show you the first question. Choose the correct answer. 6724 is 6, 7 and 24 or 607,024 or 6,724. What is the right answer? Yes, 6,724. Great job. In this question, try to tell what is the place value is. This time, try to find a value of 2. 2 is in hundreds place or tens place, units place or thousand place. What's the correct answer? Yes, tens place. Excellent. Okay, this time try to find a value of 6. 6 is in hundreds place, tens place, unit place or thousands place. What's the answer? Good job, thousands place. Moving on to the next question, find the value of 7. 7 is in hundreds place, tens place, units place, thousands place. What is the place of 7? Is it in hundreds place? Yes, very good. It's hundreds place. In the last question, you have to find the place value of 4. 4 is in hundreds place, tens place, units place or thousands place. Very good. Is it in units place? This time I will try in a different way to see how much you remember. Now it's time to match the following. It shows the digit of the number one side and number in words on other side. I will give you 30 seconds to do this work. Okay, now let's check the answers. 5793 and 5385, 5731, 5392. Did anyone get the wrong answer? I'm sure you all got the right answers. Now we have arrived at the time for today's lesson. Before starting today's lesson, Miss will tell you all the learning intentions. By the end of the lesson, student will know to record numbers in expanded form and recognize that the position of a digit gives its value. Students, it's time for you all to study with me. By the end of the lesson, student will know to record numbers in expanded form and recognize that the position of a digit gives its value. Students, do you know how to study and achieve success in today's lesson? By the end of the lesson, student will be able to record numbers up to 4 digits using expanded form by doing task 1 correctly. Recognize that the position of a digit gives its value by doing task 1 and task 2. Write the 4-digit numbers by changing its expanded form and represent the given value in 4 digits. Do any of you know what expanded notation is? Expanded form or expanded notation is a way of writing numbers to see the math value of individual digits. When the numbers are separated into individual place values and decimal places, they can also form a mathematical expression. Expanded notation is a way to write numbers to show the value of each digit, usually in an addition problem. Let us see how to write 4-digit number in expanded notation. In expanded notation, the number is written as the sum of the place value of the digit in that number. Let's see how. Look at the number 6, 1, 2, 3. 6 in thousands place, 1 in hundred place, 2 in tens place, 3 in ones place. Let us write the place value of each digit, the number 6123. The place value of digit 6 is 6000. The place value of digit 1 is 100. The place value of digit 1 is 100. The place value of digit 2 is 20. And the place value of digit 3 is 3. Now to get the expanded form, we write this number as the sum of place the value of its digit. That is 6123 is equal 6000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. We call this is 6123. Look at another example. 7, 5, 3, 1. 7 in thousand place, 5 in hundred place, 3 in tens place, 1 in ones place. Now to get the expanded form, we write this number as the sum of place the value of its digit. That is 7530. 1 is equal 7000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 1 is 7531. What number is represented by expanded notation? 2000 plus 60 plus 8. 2068, 2608, 200608 or 268. What's the correct answer? Excellent. 2068. What number is represented by expanded notation in this question? 3000 plus 900 plus 8. 3098, 3908, 3008, 3900. What is the correct answer? Excellent. 3908. How to write the following numbers in the expanded form? 5912 equal to 5000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 2 is equal 5912. 8537 equal to 8000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 7 is called 8537. 4075 is equal 4000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 5 is equal to 4075. 1864 equal to 1000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 4 is called 1864. Which of the following shows 7296 in expanded form? 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 6, or 7000 plus 29 plus 6, or 7000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 6, or 700 plus 20 plus 96. What's the correct answer? Is first one or second one? Yes, great job. Third one is correct answer, 7296. Write the numbers as shown in the example. Can you write 6000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 6? How to write it? Very good. We can write 6686 is 6686. Go to next one. 9000 plus 300 plus 3. How to write it? Excellent. 9303 is 9303. Next one is 1000 plus 70 plus 2. How to write it? 1072. 1072. Last one is 2000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 2 is equal. Very good. 2932 is 2932. Now it's time for today's task. Today's task is page number 7 of mathematics book. Question number 1. Student, you can also grab a help from question A. Second question of today's task is from page 8 mathematics book, question number 2. Before we end today's lesson, let us remember success criteria once again. By the end of lesson, student will be able to record number up to 4 digit using expanded form by doing task 1 correctly. Recognize that the position of a digit give its value by doing task 1 and task 2. Write the 4-digit numbers by changing its expanded form and represent the given value in 4 digits. Very much hope that you or student have achieved success criteria from today's lesson. Thank you student for truly listening to the lesson till the end. Stay safe, stay home. Assalamu alaikum.
EPS Teleclass